Searching for the absolute asterisk best tech 2025 asterisk? You've landed on the ultimate guide to the must-have electronics and gadgets that are truly revolutionizing our world this year. We've scoured, tested, and ranked a ton of incredible innovations to bring you the top 5 devices that are simply changing the game. Get ready to upgrade your life, and remember, you can find direct links to purchase all these amazing items early in the video description below. Number 1. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. This isn't just a phone, it's a portable powerhouse, offering unparalleled camera capabilities and processing speed that will absolutely blow your mind, making it an essential gadget for anyone serious about mobile tech. Number 2. Apple MacBook Air M3. Prepare to be astonished by its incredible M3 chip performance paired with an impossibly thin design, proving that a laptop can be both feather-light and exceptionally powerful for all your work and creative endeavors. Number 3. Sony WH-1000XM5. These headphones offer a truly immersive audio experience with industry-leading noise cancellation, making daily commutes or focused work sessions an absolute dream, a dramatic improvement for audiophiles. Number 4. Apple Watch Series 9. More than just a timepiece, this wearable integrates seamlessly into your health and fitness routine with advanced sensors and a dazzling display, revealing surprising insights into your well-being. Number 5. Valve Steam Deck OLED. Experience the thrill of PC gaming on the go with its stunning OLED screen and ergonomic design, a truly dramatic leap forward for portable entertainment that gamers have been craving. These top gadgets 2025 represent the pinnacle of innovation, offering dramatic improvements and surprising features that will enhance every aspect of your digital life. Whether you're a hardcore tech enthusiast or just looking for the best electronics to boost your productivity and entertainment, this list has something for everyone. Don't miss out on these incredible upgrades. Check the links in the description now and grab your favorites before they're gone.